Hi guys. So today, you can kind of tell what I'm doing by the title. Baking soda, vinegar, now, I have a towel. In case I do something. There's the carpet rug, I had to move it. But there's a towel here. Just in case I get it all over. But I'm terrified to death because I've seen people do it. They don't choke. It doesn't choke you or anything, apparently, but it just, it tastes really bad. Which, baking soda tastes bad by itself, and vinegar is horrible by itself. But here's the good thing. Vinegar, wait, how old is this? Best by August 23rd, 2011. It looks the same to me. Guys, it's only 2 years old. I mean, come on. It's so bad. But it's really good for your teeth. People brush their teeth with this stuff, so guess what? It's a good thing. And vinegar also, I think vinegar, cleans. It doesn't make everything taste very good, but... It's fine. I already tried it out a little bit, like a tiny little bit of baking soda. It fits in my mouth, but it tasted disgusting. I wanted to throw up. But we're going to do some seriousness right now. Are you supposed to put this in first or this in first? Here's what it looks like. Yeah. Shaking. I need some kind of music. Do I have music? I don't. But, whatever. So, got a spoon here. Oh, crap. I keep losing it. Oh my gosh. So I have quite a bit here. Oh goodness. Look what happens. Look what happens when you're not careful. Okay. Anyway. I'm not ready for this, but I'll stay back a little bit. That was so cool. It didn't taste very good, but it wasn't very funny. You know, sometimes you gotta do stuff twice. Oh, burn. You know, it's actually, you know what? It's not that bad. And it isn't, but maybe I didn't get enough. I don't know. Did my lips look okay? I don't know. They were tingling. I'm surprised I didn't get any on the towel, but then again, going to. I can't get enough. Okay. It doesn't hurt, it just tastes horrible. Oh, now it tastes disgusting. Oh, no. Oh. I'm good. Bye.